All right, I've got this trolling motor issue. So right now, the motor is fully charged. I just replaced the control board. If I hit stow, it just starts to spin. Okay, so I gotta pause that. Unwind it. Okay, get it back to straight. Okay, now I can still stow it if I raise it all the way up to where it doesn't go anymore. Now if I hit stow right here, it'll just start to spin. However, if I take a screwdriver, and there's a little lever magnet in there, if I take a screwdriver and just push it, so if you look here what the remote says motor paused. Now if I stow at this moment, the motor will stow properly. So I don't know, something to do with this. There's a little sensor that goes from this wire to a little magnet right there, or some sort of mechanism that tells it what to do.